What are 3 keys to develop your strategic network? Hi there. My name is Kristina Sammut, and I'm the founder and CEO of Frontier Leadership, where we empower women to lead. Today, I want to talk about 3 keys to develop your strategic network. This is part of a training that I have developed to help women expand their networks so they can build their businesses and advance their careers. So let's jump in. The first thing that we want to focus on is active engagement versus passive engagement. And the truth is, there's only about 20% of the population that is interested in networking. You might experience this in business groups or on LinkedIn when you get ghosted and reaching out to somebody. So you have to decide if you're going to be comfortable with an active engagement approach, knowing that the response rate is going to be a little bit less. The benefit of having an active engagement approach is that you can really set your own targets and goals, and over time, a 2 to 3 year period, really expand your network to attract and attain high quality people that you can build your career from. Number 2. Network outside your jurisdiction. Why does this matter? The truth is, what we find when clients are networking is there's a lot of fear and intimidation networking to somebody inside your own city. And so you can find someone who has a similar job or who has a job posting in another city, and you can reach out to them and feel that there's going to be no stickiness there, no competitiveness, just collaboration. And that's the approach that we want to take with our active engagement. Reach out to a city near you. If you're in Canada, reach out to Vancouver, reach out to Toronto, reach out to Calgary. These larger networks will create an openness in your strategic network so that you're going to feel that your world is a little bigger. Number 3, develop your network at different levels. This is one of my favorite aspects of the 3 keys to developing your strategic network. And in the training, we go into it at a deeper level. By expanding your network to different levels, you're going to get the opportunity to shake off some of those fears. You're going to be able to reach out to people at the same level in different jurisdictions, number 2, and say, hey, what do you do? I love what you do, and I want to do that too, right? And so by communicating with a peer, one of the things that you're probably going to learn is how to see yourself more effectively. There's nothing like talking to somebody who loves their job and can kind of share why they love it. And when they share why they love it, what strengths and skills they get to bring to it, you can kind of reflect on yourself and say, hey, I bring that too. So that's one of the benefits of having the peer level of networking. Once you expand higher to the manager or director level, depending on what level that you're at, you're also going to see where some of the intimidation starts. Maybe you're going to reach out to an executive. Maybe an executive you actually met at an event that you attended. So all of this is going to build up your courage for reaching out to people at higher levels. It's going to also test you, test your language skills, test how comfortable you are with your writing and your communication. And are you daring enough to ask for a follow-up conversation? Today I shared 3 keys to develop your strategic network. If you would like to dive deeper into the training that we offer, click the link and subscribe and reach out to learn more about how you can take this in-depth training. Thanks and have a great day.